Good morning. I'm going to show you how to draw this. 4 circles fitting perfectly inside a bigger circle. We're going to make this in NanoCAD. And I actually learned how to do this from another technical drawing channel, which is called Technical Drawing, and that channel's about engineering drawing. We're not here to learn engineering, we're just creating different drawings in NanoCAD to understand how to use it and how it works. As you can see here, I've been practicing it on paper too, and I've had quite a few attempts. It's not easy to get the lines perfectly right, but you can get quite close. And this one was quite good, but I messed it up by going over it with an ink pen. Okay, so we're gonna draw this now. So I'm gonna select the circle tool here and just draw a circle. And I need some lines, some guidelines inside the circle. I've selected the line tool and I can't snap to the middle, but if I hover over here to the edge, then go to the middle, you'll see the direct middle snap show up. You can click to that and just draw a line out. And I'm gonna extend this line. Actually, that's probably not necessary. Yes, it is. We need 4 lines. We need 2 intersecting lines inside the circle. Can stretch this out. And we also need 1 diagonal line at 45 degrees. Now, I can't snap to 45 degrees for some reason. Let's see if I can toggle a snap tool on. So snap, show snap toolbar. Could it be the tangent? We're gonna need a tangent snap eventually. Nearest. Quadrant, that might be the one. Okay, let's try this again. Haha, the quadrant snaps to those, but that's okay. The next thing we can do is rotate this. We can copy it and rotate it, so rotate. Now there's a way to rotate and copy, but I can't see where the option is to copy. I guess I'm gonna have to read up on how to do that. So 45 degrees or minus 45 degrees. Minus 45 degrees. And I'll just draw that line back in because I need it. Well, actually, maybe I don't need it. I might just need the bottom one. Okay. Now I need a tangent. So that's a line that just touches the edge of the circle. Now I need to extend these 2 lines, or just one of them actually, to this line. So highlighting this, extend. Right, so we've created this point here which we need. Take a circle and just draw it here. You don't actually need a circle. You need an arc between the 2 points. But I find using the arc tool quite difficult. And so I'm gonna have to play with this for a bit just to see how it works, understand how it works. So for now we'll just use circles. I need 2 more circles, but I'm gonna change the color for clarity. The circles need to be the exact same size as this one, so it's probably better to copy this. Copy. Select it right from the middle and copy 1 right to this point and 1 right to this point. And I'm just gonna change the colors of these for clarity. Okay, now this has created an intersection here. This is what I need, this exact point. So I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to draw a line from this intersection here right to this corner. And I want to extend this line up to here. Extend. Select. So that's the exact point where we need to draw a circle right to the edge, and then it'll fit perfectly inside. So I want to copy this point to all of the lines, and to do that I'm just going to draw a circle. Right, now I'm going to change the color. Green will fit good. Actually, let's do blue. Okay, now select a circle and draw it from this point right to the edge. And then we can take this circle and copy it. I need a faster way of typing these commands because it's quite tedious to have to type in 3 letters, then point down to it and then select the copy. Right, I'll select it from the middle here and connect it to these intersections, and you'll see that the circles are drawn perfectly touching each other. I can get rid of all these lines now. And there we have 4 perfect circles touching each other. This could be useful for something. It's an engineering sort of drawing. Might come in handy in architecture.